Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, December 19, 2008. StepStone Group, a Californian private equity asset management and consulting firm, has hired James Gamett as managing director and head of secondary investments. PE Hub reports that Gamett is a member of the StepStone research team and also sits on the firm's investment committee. Staying with hedge fund news, a new private equity firm focusing on opportunities in middle markets has been launched. PE Hub reports that Kingman Capital is being managed by its founder Keith Koensman, formerly with Merrill Lynch. Kingman will target private equity companies with $5 million or less of EBITDA for transactions, including leverage buyouts, recapitalizations, growth investments, industry consolidations, and family successions. And in more hedge fund news, UK software company Innovation Group has rejected a £130 million cash offer from a private equity firm as too low. Private equity news reports that Silver Lake Partners, HG Capital, and Carlyle Group had been in talks with Innovation, which have now ended. And in other hedge fund news, the investment banks and global hedge funds that are the usual buyers of debt and equity in struggling Asian companies have largely fled the market, leaving distressed asset space to homegrown investors. Reuters reports that Asian players with the cash remain in the hunt for cheap assets. Investment banks have largely shut down their proprietary trading operations known as prop desks that were avid buyers of often illiquid assets that carry plenty of risk but offer potential for big returns. And that rounds out your hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.